Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And I've been a very bad YouTuber lately, but we're doing work on the SL today. Actually, I'm most of the way ready to actually pull the engine. I have the AC compressor and the alternator off. I feel like that would be the easiest way to pull the engine, considering I've already done this before. I'm not at a garage, obviously, as you can see, because my dad's gone and I don't want to bother my aunt and uncle again. So got everything basically ready. I have the power steering pump I need to disconnect. I drained the coolant from the petcock, and I have to obviously drain, well, not obviously, but I have to drain the oil, disconnect the downpipe, pull the shafts still. I still haven't pulled the CV shafts, and then I should be ready to pull the engine. I'm thinking, if not late tonight, probably early tomorrow. I thought I was off tomorrow, but I'm actually off today, so that sucks. But I have to disconnect clutch lines. By the way, guys, you can't see it from right here, but there's a freaking hole in this transmission, like a legit hole. Like looks like somebody punched a hole through, like a little rock. But anyway, new transmission has everything. All the dust shields, all the dust garments, I mean. But, yep, I'm going to pull all these clutch lines. I got the fuel lines disconnected, AC lines. It's literally just miscellaneous stuff at this point. But, sorry again for leaving you guys left to dry. But I plan to keep uploading videos. I actually just got a new job, so I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, this is day 2 of working on the car. I just got the passenger side CV axle out. So let me focus you guys. I'm obviously on the driver's side now, working on this. I'm about to pull this one. But don't forget there are like 2 or 3 bolts for an intermediate shaft. But once you unbolt that, it's actually easier to get this one out in my opinion than it is to get that one out. But, you know, to each their own. But yeah, I'm going to get started on this, guys. Finish this up. I'm going to take off the caliper, put it up here. And then this car is actually, I'm going to rebuild this engine. Surprise. But, so what I'm doing is I'm going to take the wheels off. You know, obviously take the axles out, put the wheels back on, put the calipers mounted back in. And then I'm going to just drop the car. And then I'll pull the engine out. And then bada boom, bada bing, we'll be ready to rebuild. Okay, so I got all this done. Set the axles out, put the wheel back on, actually, caliper on. And then I actually prepared the entire engine bay ready for the engine to be pulled tomorrow, so I won't have to do any work tomorrow besides I actually unbolted the exhaust, the downpipe, and I thought to myself, okay, well, if something decides to climb in there, not a good look. So what I did was just threaded the nuts back on, so tomorrow the only thing I have to do is make these hoses go over here. I already drained the coolant, so we're golden there. Everything is out of the way for me to pull this engine. I just have to unbolt the exhaust. It's just threaded on. And then literally that's it. But what I want to tell you guys was I don't have a single bolt laying around. Not one. As soon as I took something out, I put the bolt right back in where it was. You can see that right here. Even with the intake manifold, the plenum, I just took the nuts off, or the bolts, put them right back in their places. You will never lose a bolt that way. I've done that the last 2 times I've pulled an engine. The very first time we put them in baggies, but I find this to be a lot easier. You just take the bolt off, put it right back on where it was. So there's a little piece of advice for you guys if you're trying to pull the engine, and just I guess you'll see me pull the engine. Totally forgot to lose track. I lost track of time. Every single motor mount besides the rear is unbolted. We're actually unbolting it right now. We're gonna pull it out, put it on the truck, put the truck over by my shed, engine stand, and then in the shed, then rebuild starts, tear down starts. Keep you guys updated. I'm sorry I didn't update you earlier, but this is where we're at now. Little update, actually. Advice: take off your transmission mount. This is going to make it so much easier. And then boom, we're going to get this thing out. You know, just getting all the coolant out, boys. But I think we're ready to pull this engine out. You want to hand me the phone? Alright, let's pull her out. good back here. Yeah, keep it going. Yep, get her out. Hell yeah, baby, pump her out. America. Hey everybody, this is Alex. I'm actually, I'm in my shed right now. It looks really bad, but it's actually a lot better than it looks. But anyways, Alex, he's starting up a YouTube channel, so he will be in my videos coming up until he moves. Rip. But, this is the engine right now, guys. We got it in here. We got it plasticed off. And I'm just going to start taking off timing covers. I'm going to take off the motor mount, harmonic balancer, and the belt. Make my way in. Stop at the timing belt and all the timing accessories. And then I'll just make my way around. I might even get the heads off tonight, but we'll see where we go. Hey guys, we got all these brackets and everything off. We got manifolds off, power steering pump. I need to do some research because I bent a couple flywheel bolts trying to get off the crank pulley. Got to figure that out. But I basically got all this off. I had Alex come by, as you guys could see. But yep, I think I might call it a wrap tonight. I don't think I'm gonna take off any heads or anything tonight. But I'll catch you guys in the morning. Hey everybody, I actually just started working on this the other day. Here's what I got right now. Flywheel, pressure plate, clutch, axles, plenum. This is all miscellaneous bits that we took off today. So it's actually coming together pretty well. Super excited. Tomorrow I'm hoping I can get an air compressor out and then we can try to get that crank pulley bolt off, harmonic balancer bolt, get that off, and then we can take care of the timing. And I will show you guys tomorrow, but I'm actually a tooth off. And that would explain a lot of the running issues. And yeah, so there's the magic of editing. Let's get you guys in tomorrow. Alright guys, I just got my dang crank pulley off. The bolt, I should have recorded it, but here's what I did. 22mm socket. This is a Harbor Freight breaker bar. Harbor Freight, okay guys, 20 bucks. And it's a great socket. I got this from Farm and Fleet. It's DeWalt. You get a good socket, 22mm. Any breaker bar. This is Pittsburgh. This is Harbor Freight, guys, okay? And then I was doing this wrong. But here you go. I actually bent 2 flywheel bolts doing this wrong. So learn from my mistakes. Here's what I did. I loosened 2 bolts and then I put a wedge. It's just a bar put between here. And then I tightened the 2 bolts down so it hits up against this so that you can't rotate your engine the incorrect way. There you go, just like that. So it's locked in place with this bar. I come over here and then I just broke it free. I should have recorded it, but I didn't. But that's exactly how I did it, guys. On the forums, I couldn't find anything that said how to take off the crank pulley bolt while it was just on a stand. So that's how you guys do it. Hey everybody, just a little update, but this will probably be the end of this video. I want to make this not short and sweet, but just keep it kind of entertaining. But it looks like I got nothing done, but I actually took the valve cover off, removed the camshafts, and as you can see, you know, water pump's out, water pump housing is out. This head, there are 2 bolts in here. I'm not sure if they need taken out. I actually just asked the 3000 GT Facebook group if they need out, but I do have the T10 to take off the 8 head bolts. So I'm not sure if those 2 big ones in the middle have to come out, but I will keep that in the next video. This head has not been touched, period. I did stuff these with paper towels just in case someone wants to try to crawl in there. But here's where we are, guys. Hey everybody, I got a lot done. So I got some stuff painted. We'll be in the next video next week. Stay tuned for that. But I wanted to show you guys this. I made a checklist. Super hyped about this. I got tools all over the place. OEM valve spring compressor. That'll tell you what I did. And here's all my parts, guys, that I have done so far. There will be, yeah, there's all that. It's really dark, but there will be more video, but more in depth of what all this did. So stay tuned for that, guys. And that being said, I really appreciate you guys clicking on the video. We just hit 200 subscribers. Very, very thankful, very appreciative. And make sure you guys share the video. You know, people, there's a lot of stuff that I said in this video that could actually teach people some things. So share the video, like the video, and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And I appreciate you guys so much. See you guys in the next one.